Tired of digging up bellies, it's time to lift them instead. Meet the patented sag correction system from Advanced Construction Products. This innovative solution restores grade from inside the pipe, saving you time and money compared to traditional dig and replace methods. With adapters covering sizes from 8 to 18 inches, it's highly versatile. The magic happens through a unique combination of lift and high-frequency vibration, which moves bedding under the pipe, raising it back to specification. Field tested to depths of over 30 feet and even reaching 45 feet on some 8-inch PVC, this system is a game changer. While it works seamlessly with flexible thermoplastics, it's important to note it's not designed for rigid pipes or upside-down installations. Just pair it with a 75 CFM compressor, a 3/4-inch air line with an oiler and filter, an inch lift line, a light winch, rollers, and a pullback line. With ACP, fix sags fast, keep streets intact, and win the day.